And today's project is, yes, another keyboard. But I didn't plan on this one, but I ended up picking this one up off eBay pretty cheap from an eCycler. And had most of the parts. I was missing some of it, but I think I had enough to make it functional. Again, it's another Type 2. And, but this one, I don't know why it was stripped right down to the taking the cable off. Not exactly sure why that was done. But let's see what we got here. Okay. Space bar. I think all the little plungers and stuff. I'm missing 3 plungers and a few keys on this. I'm missing the 1 key. The shift key is there. Spacebar key is there. But I'm missing the F7, F8. I did order those online. Those came in today, so that's another reason I'm getting this project done. Get it out of the way. The only problem is the F7, F8 key is a mustard color instead of the gray color. So it's going to look a little weird on there, but at least it's a key on there until I find another gray one, or maybe possibly other orange. And I might even just, if I pick up another orange, maybe swap out and have the F1, F7 key, or every other key, you know, just to make it different. Who knows? And but what I got to do is I got to clean up solder on these pads. Looks like they just heated them up and pulled the wires through. So same with the 2 wires for the shift lock key. That should just plug right in, solder right in, but I believe these just go right in order. So that should be pretty simple to do. So let's get started. Get these tie wraps off. I can put new ones on. I just want to make sure I get the right wires in the right spots. Yeah, those should poke right back in. All right, well let's get the holes cleaned up first, I guess. And I got the 1 key and the F7 key. I already had the plungers. I got a bunch of these little screws that go in the back to hold the circuit board on. I think it only needs about 19, but I had a bunch of them, so I should have some extras left. And I think I got to get this going. Well, I hope those are all in the right spot. Some of these that are sticking up. Okay, and we're gonna give this a clean IPA. Some right there. Luckily this isn't the carbon kind, so I don't have to be as careful, but I still want to be somewhat careful. It's a lot shinier. It's pretty good. I just hope those are in the right spot. Okay. I could take off every key and then clean it, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to get the plungers in and get this together. Whoop, everywhere they go. There's your space bar. And I want to clean all these too once I get them in. There's that bar. Okay. Well, that one's dragging kind of hard. I'm going to look at that. Should fall in like that. Oops. Function, but it shouldn't be that rough. Let's try. Nope. Where is it? It's this one. Doesn't quite fit in there, of course. Go back to this one though. There's the one I was missing. Shift lock key. Oh, it's missing a thing. I might have to putty or something to glue that down in. Well, I'll worry about that later. One key on. F7 key. Spacebar. That really needs to be clean. This way. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with that. I have to make something for this. That's going to want to push out through. Oh, what am I going to do for that? Get on there. Don't want to super glue it because I may have to take that out one of these times. What am I going to do for that? What am I going to do? So I could just put a dab of super glue in there. Just on the corners, and I could pop it loose if I have to, but it'll be enough to hold it down. Guess we're going to have to do that because I don't know what else to do. of super glue. Goes. Guess I'm gonna have to fast forward through this one. Probably put one more there. And there it is. It's one key. So I guess we'll put the one cartridge I got in. We'll give it a test. Let me get you set up over there. Okay, let's get this tested. Yeah, 64 disc doctor. There's that one. Okay. Power. Okay, keyboard tester. And the restore will wait to do that last because that'll bring us over to the joystick test. Shift lock works. Stop. Key. A little sticky. Oops, let's see. All right. They all work. That wasn't too bad. So, well, I'll clean this one up, put it in storage because you never know when I might need it for another project. And that's all I got for this one. Thanks for stopping.